Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to my second day of my Hello Kitty theme week. So for today's video and the next two videos this week, I'm so excited, oh my gosh. I've teamed up with PB Teen. I'm sure you guys know that I've worked with PB Teen so much, oh my gosh. If you're not familiar or if you're not from the States, it's Pottery Barn Teen and they have the best quality stuff and everything. Oh my god, everything is so pretty. And they contacted me because they came out with a Hello Kitty line in collaboration with Hello Kitty. And like, it's like the perfect fit for this channel. Who are we kidding? So, oh my gosh. So for this video and the following two, they are going to be featuring their, oh my gosh, they're adorable Hello Kitty lines. And I've made some delicious food to go inside of them. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Hello Kitty breakfast. Tomorrow we are making Hello Kitty themed snacks. And then on Thursday we are making a Hello Kitty lunch. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys these recipes and show you the adorable products because like, I know that you guys will love them, so I was so excited to do this. So this intro is taking me about a year to film. So anyways, let's get started and let's make some Hello Kitty breakfast. So first things first for Hello Kitty breakfast, I am going to show you how to make some homemade blueberry muffins. And they look like Hello Kitty because, oh my gosh, there are so many cool tools online. So everything I use in this video, I'll have linked in the description box below, as well as all the gorgeous products from PB Teen, of course. So if you guys want to pick up anything, everything will be linked appropriately for you guys in the description box down below. So these blueberry muffins are my favorite. They're not too sweet. They're so soft and delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you love blueberry muffins, like, you need to try these. So first, what you want to do is combine some flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a medium-sized bowl. Then in a large bowl, you want to combine some vegetable oil, some eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. Then add the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Then add some frozen blueberries and just fold to combine. Then you want to spoon the mixture into a Hello Kitty shaped muffin mold and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 25 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the muffins comes out clean, and then you cool them completely. So depending on the size of your muffin pan, obviously the muffins are going to take a little longer or a little shorter to cook. So just insert a skewer into the muffins to check to see if they're done. If the skewer comes out clean, then they are ready to go. So we're just going to set those aside. You can make those the night before if you're making them for breakfast, obviously, because like muffins are so easy to just grab and go. And next thing, we're going to be doing some Hello Kitty yogurt. I think that this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's just such a cute extra touch. All you need is some vanilla yogurt and some red or pink fondant. So I'm sure you guys know that I am relatively new to working with fondant, but I think that it's so perfect for little touches like this. So all I did is shape the fondant into a little Hello Kitty bow, and then I just popped that on top of the yogurt. But if you're making this and then packing it and taking it to class, you probably want to wrap the little bow separately and then just put it on top of the yogurt when you're serving it, just because obviously like if it's shifting around your lunch bag, the bow is going to start mixing with the yogurt. You don't want that, but look at it on top of the yogurt. So cute. Oh my gosh, and it's so on brand. I can't handle this. And then last but not least, I made a little fruit salad just because I thought it would be nice and refreshing. Honestly, I just chose what I had in my fridge, which were strawberries, blueberries, and pineapple, but you can use whatever you like. And I just packed them into the gorgeous Hello Kitty lunch bag. It has like, so they're gray, and it has like this like gold foil Hello Kitty pattern on it. I think it's so pretty. Like even if you're older, you're not in school, you could totally get away with taking this to your office. Just because it looks like chic, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. And yeah, it has a little pocket on the side for your water bottle, and it's lovely and insulated, and also has a little pocket in the front. And so they sent me a little pencil case, and they suggested using the pencil case as like a little cutlery holder, which I think is so cute. I checked it with makeup brushes as well. It's a little short for like long makeup brushes, but I think it's so cute just to bring like some spoons and everything whatever with your lunch, or have like little condiments and you want to put them in here to keep them secure. This is so cute, and it looks like a little bow. Like I can't handle this. This is so cute. And then we just packed it into the Hello Kitty backpack because, oh my gosh, everything coordinates and it's so pretty. And I'm sure if you guys are familiar with PB Teen, at least through my videos, you know how high quality everything they make is. But yeah, I thought I'd tell you guys. They didn't ask me to say like anything specifically, but I did want to tell you guys because it's important to know if something you're buying is really good quality. And clearly I'm 28, so my school days are over, at least so far. But I have used a bunch of lunch boxes in the past, and some are flimsy. These ones are so sturdy, like they will hold up for definitely more than a year. So if you guys want a good investment piece, these are a really good idea. And also, you may have seen in the video, you're going to see these all throughout this week, but there is this. So this can be, honestly, anything. It can be a makeup brush holder. I think that's actually what it is. But I use it to hold my utensils when I was cooking just because it's so cute and it has a little opening in the back. You can use it for pencils, you can use it for anything, but just, it's so cute and it's like neutral, so it'll go with your house. Anyways, okay, so I am obviously like overly enthusiastic, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to PB Teen for sponsoring this video. Obviously, I love working with you guys, and it's such a pleasure to show off the cutest collection ever. Oh my gosh. And I'm pinching myself because Hello Kitty like looked at and approved my recipe concepts, and they're actually sharing my content on their page, so Hello Kitty knows who I am. Complete life goals here, so oh my gosh. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting my channel and giving me the opportunity to do amazing things like this. But this makes my job so much fun. Oh my gosh, I love my job so much. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want to pick up anything that you saw in the video, any of the Hello Kitty goodies or any of the tools I used, also the lunch boxes that I used for the little, like the actual like plastic containers are also from PB Teen. So they're from a little while ago, so if they don't have those specific ones in stock, I'll link some others if you guys want some like really amazingly high quality lunch containers as well. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for Hello Kitty week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Hello Kitty video. Bye!